This is what people here in Toronto do in February in the winter. So it's a sunny day. As you can see, it's 5 degrees Celsius. I think the high for today was 6 degrees Celsius. And this is a civic holiday. It's called Family Day. And just last week, these art installations went up. And we'll just do a little walkabout here. So inside is a lifeguard station, you know, like a big chair, metal chair. So the sculpture's built around it, and they're all down the beach here. It's quite a crowd out today. So this is Woodbine Beach. Just pause. Way over there, I don't know if you can see it, is the CN Tower. When it was built, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world. Now it's small compared to Dubai and places like that. Someone lost their keys. So that there is Lake Ontario. But you know, when's the last time you put on your down jacket and hat and head down to the beach? This is a hardy bunch, these Canadians up here. There's a boardwalk over there. We'll just have a look at this one. They're not just from Canadian artists. Some are English. There's one from Mexico. And this is sort of like a house, and on top of it you can see solar panels, so it lights up at night. But quite a crowd out here, and I'm like the only one without a dog. This one is called The Home. A lot of folks out. Walk over here. So all of those chairs that you see, the city of Toronto puts them. They're chained. You know, they're recycled plastic, but they sort of work. They last. Just look at this park with dogs everywhere. Beautiful, actually. The sun's starting to go down here. Like a good crowd. So I don't think a lot of these people flew up from the south to come and enjoy the beach here in February. But you know, worst 2 months in Canada are January and February. In fact, all of January, it was 1 day of sunshine. Kind of bleak. This is just dogs galore here. Let's walk over this way. And there's more installations down that way. So this is it. Everybody's got their dogs, except me. The dogs just left this beach. There's a whole bunch of them there. And then a little dog way over there. So that's your tour of the art installations.